Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my pamper routine. This is what I like to do for my self-care. I first like to start off with cleansing my face. So I'm going to use the Foaming Cleanser by CeraVe. This is a great cleanser for sensitive skin and it leaves your face feeling awake. Next, I'm going to floss my teeth using the Oral-B Super Floss. I have a permanent metal retainer on my bottom teeth, so this floss works great for flossing around it. Then I'm going to brush my teeth. I didn't show my toothpaste, but I'm using the Crest 3D Whitening Paste. Next, I'm going in with some mouthwash by Crest. Now I'm going to use this razor I got from Amazon to shave my face. This is a perfect way for removing dead skin and it creates a smoother base for foundation. The skin on your nose is super sensitive, so I avoid shaving it. Now I'm using tweezers to pluck my eyebrows to help clean them up. I recently got this face tool from Walmart. I'm using it to remove my whiteheads. Warning if you're sensitive to this scene. Now it's time for a shower. For shampoo, I'm using the Marc Anthony Volumizing Shampoo. This smells so nice and it gets nice and soapy on the scalp. Make sure to rinse all the water out. I'm using the same brand for my conditioner. This stuff smells so good. You want to mainly focus this on the ends. We're going to do a deep conditioning, so I'm going to clip up my hair. Since I've already cleansed my face, I'm using my favorite face exfoliator. This is the Skin Smoothing Polish by Murad. This leaves your face feeling so nice and smooth. I'm using the Olay Refreshing Wash, and for feminine wash, I'm using the Vagisil pH Balance, which helps to prevent any unhealthy bacteria. I also used 2 different brushes to scrub my back and feet. I use the Gillette Satin Care Shaving Cream for sensitive skin to shave my body. I also scrub my feet to prevent any rough skin. Now I feel fresh. I'm using the Nivea Body Milk to moisturize my body. Next, I'm going in with the Garnier Eye Sheet Mask and the Equate Mud Mask for a deep clean. The eye mask will help moisturize my under eyes, and the face mask will help to detox my skin. Now I'm going to whiten my teeth using the Smile Direct Whitening Light and Whitening Pen. And you also want to dry your teeth really well. You have to be consistent with this if you want to see results. I'm going to relax for about 20 minutes to let this all set. I think I noticed I put too much face mask and it didn't dry. I'll be going back in with the Foaming Cleanser by CeraVe. I also use a face cloth to help remove the mask. Next, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Vitamin Shot Brightening Serum. It has vitamin E for hydration and vitamin C to help brighten the skin. I'm using the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer, which has SPF 15. And it's also great for sensitive skin. I'm using Q-tips to clean my ears. I usually do this after the shower, but I got a little distracted. For my hair, I'm using the OGX Coconut Milk Serum to help tame the frizziness and repair the appearance of any damage. I'm just focusing it on the ends. I'm just going to slightly dry my hair to prevent myself from sleeping with wet hair. I swear, I always have the weirdest dreams when my hair is wet. My hair feels so nice now and it smells so good. Now it's time to do my nails. I'm going to start off by pushing back my cuticles. And then I'm going to get rid of any extra cuticle skin. I'm using a nail drill I got from Amazon. Also, I'm not a nail tech, so this is just what I do. Then I'm cutting my nails. And I'm just customizing the shape of each nail to fit each finger. Now I'm creating a rougher surface for the nail to stick onto better. Just applying some glue and false nails. I'm just trimming to my desired length and filing to my perfect shape. And I'm using the nail drill near the cuticle area to make it look more like my nail. You want to make sure you wash your hands before the base coat. I'm going in with the Emily base coat. And just cleaning off any mistakes with a brush. I'm using a UV light that you can get at a drugstore or Amazon. For my color, I'm using the Rosalind Gel Polish in 26. I usually do 3 coats. Then finishing with the Emily top coat in matte to remove the shine. I also did use a cuticle oil from Essie that I forgot to show. I love the look of these matte yellow nails. I'm going in with another face mask by Equate. This is the peel off mask for relaxing. I did wash this off before my bath. Now it's time for a relaxing bath. I start by setting the mood with 2 candles from Home Scents. This is a lavender, chamomile, and relaxing lavender. Both smell really nice and they will help to create a calm space. I'm using Dr. Teal's Foaming Bubble Bath. It has coconut oil which will help nourish the skin. For my bath bomb, I'm using this blue one I got from Walmart, which will help soften the skin. It also made the water look so pretty. And lastly, I'm adding Epsom salt to help relax and reduce soreness on the body. I'm finishing off with a very light moisturizer by Cetaphil. And an eye repair cream from CeraVe. And now I'm all relaxed and ready for bed. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content. Bye guys.